Ambassador Yuki Tanaka had served humanity among the stars for 23 years. She had negotiated trade deals with species that breathed methane. She had smiled at creatures that could kill her with a thought. She had learned that the galaxy was old, strange, and often cruel. But nothing had prepared her for this moment. The chamber was vast beyond reason. It stretched upward into darkness, and floating platforms held representatives from thousands of species. Some were small as insects, others were larger than buildings. All of them watched in silence as Yuki stood alone on the central platform, facing the three ancient beings who ruled everything. The Triumvirate. The Valkyrie High Speaker appeared as living light, crystals of pure energy that shifted and pulsed with each word. The Mothuam representative was a mountain of flesh and eyes, ancient beyond counting. The Silicate Collective spoke through a pillar of connected stones that moved like a slow river. Together, they had guided the Galactic Assembly for 600,000 years. Humanity, the Valkyrie spoke, and its voice filled the chamber like music and thunder combined. You have been evaluated. You have been measured. You have been found to be Category Omega. Yuki felt her heart grow cold. She had heard whispers of this classification. Species that were too aggressive, too unpredictable, too dangerous to be left alone. What does this mean for my people, she asked. Her voice did not shake. She would not give them that satisfaction. It means you must be guided, the Mothuam rumbled. Its many eyes blinked in sequence. Your species is young. You do not understand your place in the great order of things. We will teach you. The Silicate Collective shifted forward. You will accept the integration mandate. All species must accept it eventually. You will accept it now. A holographic document appeared before Yuki. She read it slowly, and with each line, her blood ran colder. Humanity would surrender all military vessels larger than frigates. Earth's governments would be dissolved and replaced with assembly-appointed governors. Human reproduction would require licenses, controlled by the Assembly, to prevent what they called aggressive expansion. All artificial intelligence research would stop immediately, and existing AIs would be destroyed. The deadline was 14 Earth months. And if we refuse, Yuki asked quietly. The chamber fell into deeper silence. The Valkyrie's light dimmed slightly, as if considering something unpleasant. No species has refused and survived, it said simply. We do not wish to destroy you. Destruction is wasteful, but we will not allow a Category Omega species to threaten the peace we have maintained for 600 millennia. Or you will be removed. Yuki looked at the document again. She thought of Earth. She thought of children playing in parks, of cities full of life, of the 12 colony worlds humanity had built with blood and hope and dreams. She thought of everything her species had accomplished in their short time among the stars. Then she thought of everything they could still become. I need time, she said, to consult with my government. You have 30 days to begin compliance procedures, the Mothuam said. Use them wisely. The platform began to lower, carrying Yuki away from the Triumvirate. As she descended, she looked out at the thousands of alien representatives